Last week, I made $3,550 tinting 9 cars from home garage. In this video, I'll break down every job, what I charge, and exactly what I took home. No shop, no boss, just a skill. So customer wanted nano ceramic film all over in 15%. Explained to him that 15% doing all over is illegal, but he wanted to have 15% all over. So I said yes, and the price was agreed at $400. So he comes. So I tint his car. Once it's done, as you can see the after photos, and then he comes. He pays $400. He's happy as, and he goes away. So that was my first car. Took me 3 hours and got $400.
Yeah. So car's tinted. It's $400.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, mate.
Thank you.
So my second car was Swift, and the owner wanted to remove the old tint because it was all gone, it was all bubbly, and retint the car. So the cost for that was $100 to remove the old tint and $350 to retint the car, making the total tint job of $450. So altogether today, on Tuesday, it was Tuesday, I made $850 altogether. Day 2, Wednesday. My first car in the morning was Lexus SUV. He wanted a nano ceramic, and price was agreed at $450. It took me 3 hours to tint the whole car. Once it was done, customer came, had a look around, inspected the car, he was happy and paid the money and left. Alright guys, so we got Honda Jazz today that we're gonna be tinting. So as you can see, the car is done, 35% in the front and 20 at the back and rear. This was quoted to the customer for $350, so he came and he picked it up. This was my second car of the day, and with this my day finishes. So today we have Nissan SUV. So the car is all tinted, as you can see, 35 in the front and 20% at the back and rear. Customer came in and had a look. This car was priced at $400 for this tint job. Customer was very happy. So the second car was Mazda 5. Customer wanted 20% all round and in nano ceramic, so that's what we did. And also this job was for $400, So this was my last job of the day. Two cars, and that's about it. I'm finished for today. That's the end of the third day. So today my first car was Holden Caprice, and as you can see, it's a red color car, and the customer wanted 15% all-round window tint in nano ceramic. So that's what we did, and this job again is for $400. My second car of the day was Ford Focus, which is a very tiny, small hatchback. It took me about 1.5 hours, and the price for this job was $350, and that would be my end of fourth day. So it's a fifth day today, and I only have one car, which is Toyota Camry, and the price for tinting this Camry is $350 because this is my regular customer, and he has a lot of Uber cars, and this is his 10th car. That's why I gave him a discount. So last Camry, $350. So my total take home was $3,550 for tinting 9 cars in 5 days, working from home from your own home garage. So customer would drop in the car, you would tint, and you would make money. Now, the expenses. Let's talk about expenses. So expenses are with my film cost. The biggest cost is the film cost. Second would be baby shampoo, tools, maybe. That's not a lot, but still we're gonna put $35 per car. That comes to $315 per car. So, sorry, $315 total expenses for tinting 9 cars. So now if you take away $315 out of 3,550, your gross profit is 3,235.